Hey guys, Cindy A. Lewis here. Another quick video with an idea for Father's Day. This will be in my Father's Day idea collection of video, but this is just one of the collection of the quick DIYs that you can do. If you're going to give your dad like a journal or something like that, you may want to give him a clipboard that you created just for him. I'm going to use these papers to personalize this for a gift. So I'm gonna take the papers out and show you what I'm gonna do. Get this paper pack on sale for $2. You can see it was regularly $8.99. I believe I got it at Hobby Lobby. Let me just check that so that you would know. Yep, Hobby Lobby with the orange sticker. And this is great for the football lover. So I'm just gonna pull these apart so you can see what all the papers are. This is really great for a journal too, because look at these cool papers that come with it. So you have the football, you have, I love this, that's going to go on there. And then you have these papers here. So I'm going to make a collage look, and then I'll use some of these stickers to accent it. I don't want to make it too frilly. So I'm going to take this paper and measure it. And then I'm going to make sure that I have the goal yard lines on both sides. So I'm going to cut it to fit. And this clipboard is actually about 9 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut about 4 inches here, 4.5, and then 4.5 here. And then I'll cover that center so it looks good. Now what I'm going to do, you can use glue if you want to, any kind of glue that you prefer. I'm going to use my Xyron Creative Station and just run it through that so that it has the sticker on the back of it. But I'm going to find out exactly where this fits as well before I run it through to get that. Now Xyron Creative Station is like this, and it makes a sticker out of whatever you put in there, and this is a large one. I don't use it a whole lot because a lot of people don't have one of those, but I'm trying to do this really quickly. All right, I have adhered the background that I want. You can see a little bit, you can tell that there's a line there. That's okay, I'm gonna trim that. And then anything excess, I'm gonna trim that off as well. You can kind of see the little pieces there. Now I've added some adhesive to some of these pieces, and I wanna add them on here as well. I may put this down the middle, and then you won't see the line at all. So let's just do that. Here we go, and it's all ready to go in my Father's Day gift, except for I am going to trim these edges. So I decorated the clipboard. It's a Dollar Tree clipboard with some scrapbook papers that I had and some stickers, and then on the back I just put this. I am going to put another sticker here, another foam sticker in here, just to make sure it stays really nicely. And that is going to be in my Father's Day gift ideas video. And if you didn't see that already, then go back and look for that. I'll tag it below because I'm going to upload it first, and then I will follow up with these little how-to videos. So if you saw that already, thanks for coming and watching how to put this together. Have a great day. Thanks.